Handbags here. If you guys are new to my channel or if you are a returning viewer but you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as like this video, and please also make sure to leave a nice comment down below. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today guys, I do have a bag review to share with you guys, but I also have a mini haul. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the haul first. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I have a few items from Marshalls, Bath and Body Works, as well as Sephora. So we're going to start off with what I picked up from Marshalls. So here is my Marshalls bag. And the item that I picked up from Marshalls is a Hello Kitty blanket. And this is their fall edition one. So this one has Hello Kitty face on it with some fall leaves on it, and the background on this is like a really faint light, like more like a light peachy color, I guess, but absolutely love this. And the size on this one is the 50 by 70, and I'll show you guys just what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So that is the first item that I picked up from Marshalls. So the next item that I picked up from Marshalls is my Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. I do have the perfume for this as well too. So I decided to pick up the body spray. Now guys, I will say that this smells really good. My only issue with Sweet Like Candy is it does not last all day. It's one of those fragrances and body sprays that only last for like a couple of hours. So if you have this, you already know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, it is a really sweet, girly smell, but it's not one of those smells that last all day long. So you may have to pair it with something else. But I did notice that when I pair the body mist with the perfume, it does last a little bit longer. So definitely one to add to your collection if you're one of those girls that like perfumes or body sprays. Okay? So the next item, y'all, I did not know that Marshalls sells Bath and Body Works. And yes, you heard me right, Bath and Body Works. But I was in there the other day and they were getting ready to put stuff out on the floor. So these were still on the pallets or the little racks. And they had my favorite, y'all. Do y'all see this? Dark Kiss. It is my favorite. So I did pick up both of them. But what I did not notice is that this one, if you guys can tell, is a lot lighter than this one. And this is what the original one looks like. So I'm not sure if this one was tampered with or not. So I'm probably going to take this one back because I'm just not taking any chances. But I did pick it up for $4.99. Didn't have any of the body lotions or the body mist, but they did have the body wash. So excited to have that in my collection. I will be keeping an eye out to see if they put out any other different of the Bath and Body Works shower gels, body mist, lotion, anything like that in the near future. Okay, so those were the items that I picked up from Marshalls. So we're going to move on to Bath and Body Works. Now today is September 21st, y'all. Bath and Body Works do have a sale going on. They have 40% off the entire store for 2 days, and they also have their fragrance room sprays is what they call them. And these were on sale for $3.50 if I'm not mistaken. So I did pick up a few of the scents. I did pick up the black cherry Merlot. I picked that one up, and I do like the way that one smells, and I have tried it before, so that's why I picked that up. I got 1,000 Wishes. This one also smells really good. And then I did pick up a few that I have not yet tried before. So this one is Whipped Honey and Vanilla. I did smell it in the store, and it does smell really good. So that is one of their fall scents, and I did pick up 2 of those. And then I did pick up the one that says Leaves. Now this one I smelled in the store. It doesn't smell bad, but it's probably not my favorite. But I guess out of all the fall ones that they did bring out so far, this is probably my favorite one. I like the way this one smells. So I think the problem was I had smelled too many things in Bath and Body Works, so I couldn't get the true scent of this. But I think it's a scent that I'm gonna like, so that's why I picked it up. And then the only other thing that I got from there was a pocket bag holder, and this is just the pumpkin one, or the pumpkin latte, I guess is what they're calling it. And I was able to get 40% off of this as well too. Okay, so those were all the items that I picked up from Bath and Body Works. So next, I'm going to share with you guys what I got from Sephora. So I went to Sephora to pick up an item that, well, two items that I really wanted to try, that I've been seeing people rave about. Now I know I may be late to the game when it comes to this one, but it is what it is. This is the Sol de Janeiro, I believe. Yeah. So I did pick up the body mist. This is the number 62. And it comes with the travel size Brazilian Foreplay body wash, along with the Bum Bum cream as well too, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So I'm super excited about having this. I was able to spray it in the store, so I know that it smells good. This kind of has like a vanilla gourmand smell to it, and it smells really good. So if I like wear all three of these and really like the way that it smells, then I'm definitely going to get it in the larger size. I believe this was like, I want to say this was like between $32 and $39. So not bad for 3 items. And it is a very popular item, so not bad at all. And then I picked up the Kayali. This one is vanilla candy, and I love vanilla, so I had to pick this up because I already had the vanilla 28, I believe. And I am going to order the large size of the vanilla 28, but I did want to try this one because I've been watching a few YouTube videos on it, and everybody's been saying it smells really good. So we're about to see, y'all. Ooh, that does smell good. Ooh, I'm loving this, y'all. You can definitely smell the vanilla in this one. So I'm really glad that I picked this up. So once this is gone, I will definitely be ordering the larger size of this once I've already run out of this one. So I'm glad I was able to pick this up from Sephora. And I believe this was in Sephora for like $25. Okay. So that was my mini haul, y'all. So let's move on to what you guys originally came here for, which is none other than my bag reveal. So I did not, let me peel the my information off. So this is why I said it's a bag reveal, because I ordered this from QVC and they sent it in a bag. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what I got. So this particular bag I picked up for breast cancer awareness, so you'll probably already know what color it is, but I am super excited to have this in my collection. So it is none other than my Dooney and Bourke Saffiano drawstring bag, and this is in the color fuchsia. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it out the bag. Now I'm not sure if this was a return, y'all, because it came in a bag and not a box. And normally whenever I order a bag from QVC, it comes in a box. So I'm kind of thinking this may have been a return, but that is the sticker on the front. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, and it just once again says the Dooney and Bourke Saffiano Drawstring in the color fuchsia. And this will be my first fuchsia bag from Dooney and Bourke. So y'all, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, y'all, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Do y'all see this? I am loving this color, y'all. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So it is a drawstring bag. And I'll show you guys the tag one more time. That is the tag that's attached to the bag. It does have gold hardware all throughout the bag. The drawstring part does not have tassels. It's just a regular loop drawstring. So let's take a peek in the inside of the bag. It does come with the shoulder strap attached to the key hook. And the key hook does have the little leather tab on it in fuchsia. And let's take a look at the shoulder strap on here. And I love how wide that is, y'all. Absolutely loving it. So this is like the bag of the month that they have going on right now. The price on this one was not $99 like the bag of the month, but it was on sale. Okay, and it does come with a dust bag. And let's take some of the stuffing out so we can see how the inside looks. Now it does have that red interior in the inside, and it does come with the zip and slip on the back wall with the Dooney leather patch. And then on the front wall, it does come with the large and small slip pocket on the front wall as well too. And as you can see, it does have feet on the bottom. You guys know I love a bag with feet on the bottom. So I am super excited to have this bag in my collection, guys. When I saw this on QVC site, I definitely had to pick this up. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag. This fuchsia color is so bright, y'all. I mean, it's beautiful bright. I am loving this. So I cannot wait to carry this next month for breast cancer awareness. So yeah, guys, if this bag is still available on QVC, I will try to make sure to link it down below for you guys. If it's still available in this color. If it's not available in this color, I will still leave a link for it if you want to check out the other colors that they do have available. Okay. All right, guys, so that was my mini haul slash bag review for you guys. Let me know if you have a fuchsia or a pink color drawstring down below in the comments, guys. And until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.